Hello and welcome to Vidicom, the video maker for e-com marketers and product owners. Well, every product listing deserves a video because when you put a video on a listing page on your landing page, the conversions get a big boost. But preparing these videos is hard and it takes time and a lot of money. Now with Vidicom, you can solve this problem and create fantastic videos in a matter of minutes. So let's take a look and see how Vidicom works. So get started, we will just go right into the action and click on create video. Now you can provide all the information manually like product information. Yes, that's basically what Vidicom needs, just some product info. Or you can bring in your product information from your sales page. So I've got this little random Shopify website that I have picked. Yes, Vidicom can take any page from the internet, including your popular platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, WooCommerce, whatever you can think of. Just copy the URL and paste it. And then click on fetch details. So Vidicom is going to pull the details in just a few seconds and then set up your entire video plan. Here we go. You see Vidicom pulled in all the data like product specifications, product features, product benefits, product description. Also picked up some images from the sales page so that it can use the images in the video. If you want, you can modify things. Let's say you want to change anything, you can. For example, if you want to just remove this feature, maybe it's not practical or not required, just modify whatever you want. And you don't need to go very deep into this because Vidicom figures it out all by itself. Click on proceed, and next you can choose how long a video you want to make. Now typically for a listing, I would recommend a video from 1 minute to 5 minutes. In this particular example, let's do a minute long video. You can choose the aspect ratio too. If you want to use the video as a social video, you want to put it on TikTok or you want to put it on Instagram for marketing, you can make a 9:16 vertical or a square video for Instagram, or you can do a 16:9. You also get to choose the AIs you want to use. And at Technique Force, we always believe in multiple AIs, so we're giving you many options. You can use GPT for text, or you can use Claude and Gemini or Grok. For images, you can use Google, Flux, GPT, or Dream. So once you're ready, click on proceed. And now you can choose the voice that you want to do the voiceover, the narration in. We've got a number of ready-made voices for you from OpenAI, so you can do a preview.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill now.
If you want to put in any special instructions, you can. If you want to change the language, you can do that too. Or you can even bring your custom voice. So I created a voice earlier called Mark.
AI is the biggest revolution in the history of mankind.
So you can create voices over here. I will just go back in and after I finish the first video and show you how to create custom voices. For this, let's choose Ash and click on proceed. Next, it's time to choose a background score. So take a look here. You can click on a ready-made collection that we have. Choose the music. I think this one is fine. But here also we've done some fun new stuff, like you can generate tracks with AI. So here's a button, generate new track, and you can generate tracks with AI. We've got one track over here ready-made. Let's listen to this one.
I thought at these, the cold and tear my fate.
So this is created by AI earlier, but for this particular example, let's just stick to this one. Okay, this is pretty neat. You can also upload your own music if you want to. Once you're ready, click on proceed, and now your video is being analyzed and creatives are being created. I'm talking about the initial visuals, the parts of the video. So let's come back in a couple of minutes and continue from there. All right, the first thing you get here is a little script that will be used as narration on the video. So you can read it very quickly. Meet the Ebony Mini Unique Diaper Bag. So it's all about the product, about the benefits and all. And if you want to accept it, if you want to change it, you can. If you want to use it as is, that's perfectly fine. Click on proceed. And then you can set up captions. So the captions are the titles that will display on the video, the text, and you've got some options about how you want them to look. I think I really am partial to this style, so I will just take that one, but you've got other options too, and you can also change the font, the size, everything. Click on proceed, and now the images are being created. The storyboard is being made. And check it out, your visuals are created. Now notice this. Vidicom really did a great effort of humanizing the entire product. What we got was a bag, but the video that we're going to create has an amazing presentation. You see that you've got all sorts of human elements. There's a baby, there is a bag. Of course, this picture wasn't there in the original. You can see now we are showing the waterproof features, baby conveniences, and the travel ready features, and the storage convenience, then the comfort in carriage, the easy access, the 12 pockets, all the storage boxes that it has. And this is something that not even a top visualizer can do in a very little time. And the amount of time that Vidicom took to get here, all this work is amazing. Now, you can go ahead, click proceed, and make a very nice slideshow style video, or you can even animate individual clips if you want to. For example, let's say I wanted to animate this clip. All I need to do is click on animate, and if I want to create a prompt that decides how I want to animate it, I can put that in, show this in action. For example, you can write whatever you want and then click on animate. Now this can take a little while. Till then you can review the rest of the stuff. You can see the narration. This is the narration that will play along with each slide. If you want to rewrite it, you can, and if you want to put some sort of specific effect in the slide. So I just picked a random image of a girl from the internet, and I've got the bag image from my product listing uploaded here, and I put in some random instructions. You can do better if you want to. And once you're ready, click on generate UGC avatar video. Again, you can choose the length of the video. I'm keeping 4 seconds. Now let's wait a few minutes, a few seconds when it's generated, and we'll add it. The video is generated. Check it out.
You guys, seriously, this is my favorite bag. Look at it. It's perfect for everything.
Now, this is a great UGC video. The AI even kept in mind that this is an Indian girl, and they matched the accent perfectly. The bag is absolutely realistic in her hands, and you can just click on add slide.
You guys, seriously.
And here we have the UGC video as a part of the video. Now, I think we are ready for generation. So just click on proceed and let it happen. It's processing and preparing the video clips for the generation for the rendering. And there we go. The video is ready and we can play it by clicking on
Meet
play.
the Ebony Mini Zurich diaper bag. Compact, stylish, and ready for adventure with your little one. From park strolls to weekend getaways. Lightweight mini backpack design with smart diaper bag features. Crafted for comfort, speed, and everyday durability. And water-resistant materials for messes.
You guys, seriously, this is my favorite bag. Look at it. It's perfect for everything.
Great looking product video done in minutes. Let's go back to the dashboard. I've got a couple more that I want to show you. Take a look at this one.
Removable, moisture-wicking liner and cheek pads fight sweat.
This is
and
for a
odors,
helmet.
while the secure double D-ring closure locks confidence in. Meet the tactical off-road helmet, built for riders who push harder, climb higher, and demand pro-grade protection without the price. Get
All done from just a few images. Take a look at this one.
free US shipping and returns included. Mail it back, then get your digital results in 4 to 6 weeks. Beautifully organized on any device online. Easily see at-risk, carrier, and clear results with condition callouts.
No need to know editing, no need to know copywriting, no need to know graphic design.
Part of the
Vidicom
Vinly modular
just does
series.
everything for
Add
you for
sections,
any product
mo-
category, for any product. Now, remember I was telling you about some extra features, voices and music. Well, you can create the voiceovers in your own voice or any voice you want. Just click on create new voice and you can give it a name like John, and you can describe how John should sound, like a grumpy 90-year-old veteran, for example. Or you can make exactly the voice profile that you want, or you can clone your own voice, upload a small sample just a few seconds long, and Vidicom can make the narrations in the voice that you specify, your own voice too. So that is in voices. Now in music, you can create AI music. So click on generate music and you can give it a track like my background track. This way you can create copyright free music. Never worry about copyright strikes again or issues again, because you can make exactly the music you want, like cinematic and pop. And we will keep only instrumentals because we want a background track, but you can make songs if you want to, and you can make a song about your product. Click on generate tracks. All right, the track is ready. perfect product music. So that's how easy it is to create custom resources, custom voices, custom music, and create a truly world-class product video without hiring an editor, without hiring a copywriter or a graphic designer, and getting it done in minutes from your computer. If you get Vidicom, I'll see you on the inside.